Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe, so you will not miss future updates. Share and support our works. Do you know black seed is an herb that has been used for over 2,000 years for many diseases? It is also known as Nigella sativa, black cumin, Haba al-Baraka and kalonji. Do not confuse black caraway with black seed, as they come from two different plants. We'll see how to prepare the seeds. For cancers and tumors, take 1 tablespoon of black seed mixed with 1 teaspoon of raw honey 1/2 hour before breakfast. This is a very simple protocol. For cystic fibrosis, massage the chest with the black seed oil. Drink 1 teaspoon of the oil mixed with honey, 3 times a day. For diabetes, use the black seed mixed with raw honey twice a day. A change in diet is a must with little carbohydrates and no sugar. For diarrhea, mix 1 teaspoon of the black seed with a cup of yogurt and drink twice a day. For dry cough, 1/2 teaspoon of black seed mixed with coffee twice a day. Rub the oil on your back and chest. For earache, take 1 teaspoon of the black seed powder. Add a few drops of olive oil to the black seeds and mix well. Place 7 drops into a syringe and place in the ear morning and evening until well. For eye disease and impaired vision, rub the eyelids and the sides of the eye orbits half an hour before going to bed with black seed oil. A 1/2 tablespoon of the black seed oil should also be drunk with a cup of carrot juice. For facial paralysis, place 1 teaspoon of the oil in a liter of boiling water and inhale the fumes. For flu and colds, take 1 teaspoon of black seed with honey in the morning before eating. Also, place a few drops in each nostril for nasal congestion. For gallstones and liver stones, place a large spoon of black seeds mixed with honey in a glass, add in some hot water. Finally, add in 1 teaspoon of oil. Drink this mixture daily, first thing in the morning. For general health and well-being, take 1 spoon of honey and 1 spoon of black seeds mixed every day, or 1/2 spoon of the oil mixed with honey before your breakfast. For hair loss and premature graying, wash your hair and then apply liberal amounts of olive oil and black seed oil mixed together. Wait 1 hour and rinse. For headaches and migraines, take the black seed oil and rub on the temples. Place a few drops in the nostrils and also place some oil on top of the head. Eat some black seeds and honey, 2 times a day. For memory, take 1/2 teaspoon of black seed and 1/2 teaspoon of honey 3 times a day. For muscular dystrophy, take 1 spoon of black seeds mixed with honey, 3 times a day. Eat as many raisins as possible. Eat a soup of marrow, soup bones, every day. For rheumatic and back pain, heat some of the black seed oil and rub on the area of pain. Eat some black seeds and honey daily. For stomach pain, take 1 big spoon of black seeds mixed with honey. Drink some peppermint tea, then drink the water of boiled rice if hungry. For toothache and gum infections, place some black seeds in a cup of vinegar and bring to boil. When the vinegar has cooled to a warm touch, rinse the mouth with this mixture. For worms, heat 2 teaspoons of black seeds with 1/2 cup of vinegar. Heat this mixture and then with a brush the mixture on the stomach and liver area. Do this before you are about to sleep. Do not wipe this mixture off. Before sleeping, eat 7 dates to get rid of Ascaris worms. The miracle of this blessed seed is in the belief of the cure. Thousands use this seed with success daily. But it is necessary to take the seed on a regular basis, and then when the person comes down with the disease, it is easily cured. Anyone wanting to substitute the ground seed for the oil may do so at a ratio of 2 1/2 teaspoons to 1 teaspoon of the oil. The ground seeds are what was used by Prophet Muhammad. For baldness, rub the oil on the spots of baldness. For beard growth, massage the oil into the beard reaching all the roots. Comment below your thoughts about this. Subscribe our channel and turn on notifications, so you will not miss future updates from our channel. Your supports will motivate us to do more works. Give a thumbs up if you found this video informative and share with your friends and inform them. For other job vacancies and educational articles, visit witnesstv.net. We have posted 5,000 plus vacancies and more educational articles in our site. If you find them useful, share and support us. Thank you. Have a blessed day.